What's up, guys? Wormword Berry with the Berry Group. I'm here with another property tour, and I want to give you some information before I take you inside. I'm here at 399 Wormwood Lane, right here in beautiful Columbia, right down the street from the VA hospital, right off of Gardner's Ferry. Just want to give you an idea of where this property is located. Guys, it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath property, and it is ready to go. Hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances. What else could you ask for? And price to sell at $180,000. Come with me as I take you on a tour of this amazing house. Let's go.